Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to upload a video in Snapchat. Go to the Snapchat app from your apps list. Tap on the gallery icon from the bottom. Now tap on camera roll. From camera roll, select videos. Now choose a video which you want to upload. After that, tap on the send button. Tap on my story. A confirmation message will open. Tap on OK. Then again tap on send. Now go back. Now tap on the profile icon from the top left corner. Tap on my story. And you can see your video is uploaded. So in this way you can upload a video in Snapchat. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.